Have you heard about the collapse of US-based Silicon Valley Bank that had deposits from several VCs, some major tech startups, and even some crypto companies like Circle? Hi, this is Minisha, and today we're going to be understanding what exactly led to this collapse that had a small ripple effect even on the crypto markets. Let's start with understanding what was happening with the bank before the collapse. First, the bank had high investment in technology stocks that showed a downtrend, leading the bank to register for massive losses. And second, only a small portion of the bank's deposit was in the form of cash. It reinvested the rest in long-term bonds such as treasury bonds, which are usually safe when the interest rates are low. But to SVB's misfortune, the Federal Reserve started raising the interest rate to control the growing inflation in the US, which led to lower returns on the bonds purchased by SVB. Adding further to their problem, to meet the cash crunch of the tech industry, SVB's customers started initiating withdrawals in large amounts. This created a problem for the bank as its investment from the bonds were generating low profits. To solve for this issue, SVB sold its investment worth $21 billion at a loss of $1.8 billion. This situation led to a negative sentiment about SVB in the market, causing more of its customers to withdraw funds, leading SVB into a bank run. What followed was that with limited cash deposit, SVB ran out of money to fulfill these withdrawal requests. Now let's understand how did it affect USDC, a crypto stablecoin. A company called Circle, which is the issuer of USDC, was also one of the customers of SVB. USDC is a crypto stablecoin, which means it will always maintain its price to $1 by holding US dollars equivalent to the supply of USDC. Among other customers of SVB, even Circle raised a withdrawal request of $3.3 billion, which the bank couldn't process because of its cash crunch. This created a fear in the USDC holders, who started selling USDC in large volumes, leading its price to fall from $1 to $0.87. But thanks to the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation that assured all SVB customers that they will receive their funds. Even Circle's CEO confirmed that their withdrawal request of $3.3 billion will be processed by the bank. These two developments acted as a relief to the market and helped in balancing the negative sentiment, which led to USDC's price jump from $0.87 to $0.99. I would also like to clarify that this whole SVB fiasco had no effect on Okto, as Okto has no exposure in the bank. Also, all our USDC related pools are operating as usual on the Okto app. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all crypto Web3 events.
By transferring crypto to Okto wallet, you confirm understanding its risk. We make no warranties or representations about third-party material on Okto or value, utility or legal status of crypto. There is no legal recourse for any loss from such transaction.